Hey, today I'm going to show you how I take a cheap can of black-eyed peas and turn them into these Southern crispy black-eyed bean patties. And let me tell you, they're absolutely delicious. Here I'm cooking the black-eyed peas until boiling, then I set to simmer. Using the back of a wooden spoon, I mash the black-eyed peas. Add in the onions, some sage, fresh parsley, seasonings, salt, cornmeal, pepper, and 1 egg, and mix to combine. Make sure there are no traces of the cornmeal mixture. It should be smooth and thick. Form small patties using a heaping, form small balls using a heaping tablespoon of the mixture. You can lightly wet your hands to prevent sticking if needed. And here I am just doing it one more time. Use the back of a greased 1/4 measuring cup to press the patties down to about 1/4 inch thick. Start on high heat, then adjust to low while cooking until crispy and deep golden brown. These need to be a deeper golden brown in order to achieve that nice crispiness. So these should take about 20 minutes total to cook. And here it is, the finished results. And you can find my recipe for the Cajun dipping sauce on my website. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. You can find it on my website at whiskitrealgood.com. Until next time, bye.